You can see here, I am explaining refraction at convex spherical surface. So here this is a convex spherical surface which is made up of glass. ये हमने ऐसे शो कर दिया है, ये लाइनिंग ये शो कर रही है कि ये ग्लास है, and it is kept in air. It's here it is kept in air. Now this is the here refracting surface, convex surface is this. This is the convex surface. It is the center of the convex surface. अगर हम देखेंगे तो वो कैसा होगा, सर्कुलर होगा, आया समझे। उसके सेंटर को हम क्या कहते हैं, पोल कहते हैं. इट इज नोन एज पोल. सो SPS dash J convex spherical refracting surface. Here there will be its center of curvature somewhere. इस पार्ट का सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर यहां कहीं होगा, आए समझे। हमने उस सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर को किससे डिनोट कर दिया, C से डिनोट कर दिया. और ये लाइन जो कहलाती है, दिस लाइन इज नोन एज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. इट इज नोन एज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, दैट यू नो. The line which passes through pole and center of curvature is known as principal axis. Now see here, there is a unique property of the center of curvature. If you join any point of this surface with the C, then that line will be the normal. That line will be the normal. Suppose you have to draw the normal at this point. What will you do? You join this point C with this. What will happen? That will be the normal. Here we have assumed that its refractive index is N2 and the refractive index of surrounding medium is N1. इसका refractive index क्या है, N2. It is clear. Now let an object is situated at the point O. Here there is an object which is situated at the point O. So see here what will happen when this object will, a ray which is going along the axis, it will fall perpendicularly. And falling perpendicularly, क्यों perpendicularly पड़ेगी, क्योंकि C से P मिलाने वाली लाइन क्या होगी, that will be normal. Ray is going along the same direction, therefore it is falling perpendicularly, therefore it will pass undeviated. It will pass undeviated. Now this is the another ray. ये एक दूसरी ray. This is the another. It's clear. Now if you, this is the other ray which goes along this. So you draw the normal here. What will be the normal? Normal इस point को हमने name कर दिया A. So what will be the normal? You join CA and produce in forward direction. So you can see here, this is incident ray, this is the normal. So it means this will be what? This will be the angle of incidence, which we denote by I. Now ray is going from where to where? Rarer to denser. N1 is less than N2. N1 is less than N2 means going from rarer to denser, and going rarer to denser, therefore it will not go in this direction, it will bend towards the normal, bending towards the normal. It's clear. So this will be the refracted ray. This will be the refracted ray. Now you can see here refracted ray is normal is this dotted line. So what will be the angle of refraction? Angle of refraction will be this. It's clear. Now you can see here one ray goes along this and the other ray which is going in this way, it is going meeting here. Therefore the image of O will form at this point. I is the image. I is the image. This point is clear. whether it is clear or not. Now see here.
Yes, sir.
Here we have assumed incident ray makes an angle alpha from principal axis. Refracted ray makes an angle beta from principal axis. And normal is making what angle from the principal axis? Gamma. Incident ray makes an angle alpha, refracted ray beta, and normal is making what angle? It is making angle gamma. It is clear? Now see here. So you can write, because its derivation is in your course. So I am writing here. Here I am writing. You can see the diagram. Derivation. What will you write in the derivation so that you can see? You can see here, you have to write this thing. Let us consider a convex spherical refracting surface having radius of curvature r and refractive index n2. Let it is situated in a medium of refractive index n1 less than n2. O is an object situated on its principal axis whose image is formed in the other side at I as shown in the diagram. It's clear. Now see here, you can see in the diagram, if you see the triangle AOC and triangle AOC, have you seen triangle AOC? This I is the exterior angle. Exterior equals to sum of the interior opposite. No need to write about these angles, that you will show only in the diagram. It's clear? And arrows are required. Arrows तुमको show करनी है. So I is the exterior, it will be equal to alpha plus gamma. So in triangle AOC, in triangle AOC, I equals to alpha plus gamma. It's clear. This angle will be equal to this plus this. Then in triangle ACI, gamma will be equal to R plus beta. Gamma equals to R plus beta. So what will be R? हमको R निकालना है. यहाँ तो I डायरेक्टली पता हो गया. वही अप्लाई किया. Exterior equals to sum of interior opposite. So gamma equals to R plus beta. So R equals to gamma minus beta. It is clear. Now see here, from Snell's law. One and two will be equal to what? N2 upon N1. हमने बताया था. N2 upon N1. It will be equal to sin I upon sin R. Sin I upon sin R. It is clear? So this will be equals to sin I upon sin R. Now see here. Here I have made a very big aperture. Aperture यहाँ पर क्या है? ये क्या होता है? Aperture होता है ना. हमने बहुत बड़ा सा स्फेरिकल सरफेस बनाया. उसका aperture क्या है? बहुत अधिक है. जबकि एक्चुअल में क्या होता है? बहुत कम होता है. आए समझे? So when the aperture will be small, when its surface SPS dash will be small, then point A will be closer to the P. पॉइंट ए क्या होगा? पी के क्लोजर होगा. और जब पॉइंट ए पॉइंट पी के क्लोजर होगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? इंसिडेंट रे. नॉर्मल क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा? ये देख सकते हो. तो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस क्या हो जाएगा? बहुत ही अधिक स्मॉल. एंगल आई विल बिकम वेरी स्मॉल. इट इज क्लियर? दिस इज द इंसिडेंट रे. यू जॉइन दिस and then produce, this will be the normal. So and now angle of incidence will become this. This will become very small, and when I is small, then R will also be small. It's clear? So as aperture of refracting surface is usually small. Usually small. Therefore, angle of incidence I and angle of refraction R will be small angles. These angles will be the small angle. And when these will be small, then sin I will be equal to what? It will be nearly equal to I. Sin R will be equal to what? It will be equal to R. Therefore, from here, from 1, N2 upon N1 equals to I upon R. पर I तो तुमको ये मालूम है अल्फा प्लस गामा. R is gamma minus beta. So what will you write here? Alpha plus gamma upon gamma minus beta. Gamma minus beta. So you cross multiply. When you will cross multiply this into this, you can see here. It will be N2 into gamma minus beta will be equal to N1 into alpha plus gamma. It is clear. Now you open the bracket and bring the terms of gamma in one side because gamma in both the sides. N2 gamma minus N2 beta equals to N1 alpha plus N1 gamma. When you will bring in this side, it will be N2 gamma minus N1 gamma equals to N1 into alpha plus N2 into beta. Now you take out N2 minus N1 into gamma equals to N1 alpha plus N2 beta. This is clear? This point is clear? Now see here. Here from A, draw perpendicular on the principal axis, say AM. Say AM. And let AM equals to H. It's clear? This perpendicular has been drawn. जो हमने ये सब बनाया ये तुम लोग ना बनाना. आए समझे? ये सब तुमको ये तो हमने तुमको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए शो कर दिया है. ये सब चीजें नहीं. आए समझे? So draw perpendicular from A on principal axis, say A. It is clear? So what will be edge? I and R are small angle, aperture is small, therefore alpha beta gamma will also be small. पहले alpha इतना था, अब alpha केवल इतना ही रह गया. It is clear? So because of smaller aperture, alpha, beta, gamma and gamma will be small angles. और एक चीज और होगी, पॉइंट M will be very close to P. क्योंकि अगर अब हम परपेंडिकुलर डालते तो परपेंडिकुलर कुछ क्या होता, ये होता, पॉइंट M क्या होता, ये हो जाता. पॉइंट M क्या होगा, it will be very close to P. When you will draw the perpendicular from this point on the principal axis, you will find that M will be very close to P. It's clear? When the aperture is very small, then alpha, beta, gamma will be small angles, as well as point M will be very close to P. Therefore, both points can be treated सेम पॉइंट्स, दोनों पॉइंट्स को सेम पॉइंट हम ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. इट्स क्लियर, दे कैन बी ट्रीटेड एज द सेम पॉइंट्स. अब देख लो, फॉर स्मॉल एंगल there is one approximation theta is equal to tan theta. ये होता है, सबको मालूम होगा. स्मॉल एंगल्स के केस में क्या होता है, sin theta equals to theta and tan theta is also equals to theta. It is clear. So see here, therefore alpha will be equal to what? Alpha equals to tan alpha. Now from here, from this triangle OMA, what will be tan alpha? It will be AM upon OM. AM को हमने किससे डिनोट कर दिया है, H से डिनोट किया. AM को किससे डिनोट कर दिया है, H से डिनोट. ऐसे ये हाइट H है. So AM upon OM. So it will be equal to AM upon OM. This you can write AM upon M and P are the same points. So that you can write OP, AM upon OP. Now AM is H. Now you see here what is OP. OP क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम द पोल. कैसे डिनोट करते हैं, किस सिंबल से, U से. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस from pole we denote by which symbol, U. साइन कन्वेंशन क्या कहता है कि अगर इंसिडेंट रे के एलॉन्ग मेजर करेंगे तो क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव. पर अगर इंसिडेंट रे के अपोजिट मेजर करेंगे तो नेगेटिव. नंबर 2, ऑल डिस्टेंसेस विल बी मेजर्ड फ्रॉम वेयर, फ्रॉम पोल. तुमने रिफ्लेक्शन में किया था, सभी डिस्टेंसेस P से मेजर करेंगे. आए समझे. Those which are measured in the direction of incident ray taken positive, opposite to incident ray taken negative. तो बताओ ये डिस्टेंस क्या होगी, पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव, P से O. बताओ, P से O ऐसे मेजर कर रहे हैं, कैसे मेजर कर रहे हैं, ऐसे. किधर जा रहे हैं, इंसिडेंट रे के अपोजिट. Therefore it will be minus U. It will be minus U. This point is clear. अब देख लो बीटा क्या हो जाएगा, tan बीटा. जरा देखो, and this derivation is very important also. Beta you can see in triangle AMI. Have you seen triangle AMI? सबको triangle AMI दिखाई दे रहा, triangle AMI. Tan beta will be equal to AM upon IM. But since point M and point P are same, therefore it can be written as AM upon IP. It's clear. And what is IP? IP है इमेज की डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द पोल. इधर मेजर कर रहे हैं, इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंसिडेंट रे. देयरफॉर इट विल बी टेकन पॉजिटिव. इमेज डिस्टेंस इज टेकन, हियर यू कैन सी. ये है इमेज डिस्टेंस from pole, it is taken as V. So it will be equal to, how will you write, it is AM upon IM. That is equals to AM upon IP. AM upon IP. It's clear. That is equals to H upon V. कितना हो जाएगा, H upon V. Then you find out tan gamma. Tan gamma. So gamma equals to tan gamma. And what will be tan gamma? So that also you can see here. Tan gamma you can see from this is the angle gamma. Tan gamma will be equal to AM upon CM. AM upon CM. CM can be written as CP. So see here, AM upon CM. That is equals to AM upon CP. And what is CP? It is the radius of curvature. Pole se center in the direction of incident ray. Therefore, this distance will be taken positive. P to C, it will be taken positive. So it will be H upon R. Now we will substitute these values in this equation. This you can take 2. Substituting all these values in equation 2. So substituting all these values in equation 2. So you can see here N2 minus N1. In place of gamma, H upon R equals to N1 alpha. N1, what is alpha? Alpha is minus H upon U plus N2. N2 beta, so H upon V. So on cancelling H को कैंसिल करें, H कैंसिल कैंसिल कैंसिल, क्या हो जाएगा? N2 minus N1 upon R will be equal to minus N1 upon U plus N2 upon V. Or we can write N2 upon V minus N1 upon U. This is the relation. It is clear? Now you can see one more thing. If you take out N1 common, जब N1 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? N2 upon N1 minus 1 upon R. Similarly, when N1 you take out common here, it will be N2 upon N1 minus 1 upon into V. When you will take out common N1 here, N2 upon N1 into V. यहाँ ध्यान देना. Minus 1 upon U. Now what is N2 upon N1? N2 upon N1, इसको दबा दो. It is equal to 1 N2, which we simply denote by N. It's clear? So what will happen is this N1 and N1 cancel. This is N minus 1 upon R equals to N2 upon N1 is N. N upon V minus 1 upon U. Now what is N? यहां पर N हम कैसे याद रखेंगे? N क्या है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मीडियम in which refracted ray is situated. With respect to medium in which incident ray is situated. N is what? Refractive index of medium in which refracted ray is situated with respect to the medium in which incident ray is situated. It's clear? So this is the relation. ऐसा ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो गया. सब लोग देख लें. This is clear?